Don't know which lash style to choose? Here's a few pointers the next time you can't decide. For an eye-opening effect, opt for an Ardell lash style that is longer in the center. This will make your eyes pop and instantly awaken them. Also, Ardell lash styles designed with spaces or gaps in between them make your eyes look bigger too. For a sultry eye effect, opt for an Ardell lash style that wings out at the outer corners. These types of lashes are the ones that start off short at the beginning and gradually get longer at the ends. This will give you that sexy cat eye vibe. Here's a little tip. Look for Ardell lashes starting with the name Demi for that style. For a very natural look, try using Ardell's individuals, which are more customizable and allows you to layer lashes exactly where you want them. These type of lashes are little flares that have about 10 single fibers in one tab. Always remember the end result of the look you're going for when shopping for a pair of lashes to make it easier to explore your options.